Hi, I'm Jude.
And I'm Leah, and welcome to Goddess of the Crossroads. If you're joining us for the very first time, this is our first video on how to become a witch. There is different paths in witchcraft, and we want to be there to help you find the right path to work with.
And today's first lesson, altar tools. It's a quick 5-minute tutorial. It'll touch base on the items needed for you to practice witchcraft, and then we'll also add some pictures in there just in case you're not sure what the items are. So please watch our video till the end. We're going to have some reference material for reading, as well as our contact information in case you have any questions. Also, a little gift: if you're one of the first 100 subscribers to our channel, we'll go ahead and send you out a free ritual for spring equinox.
Thank you for joining us. Blessed be.
Blessed be.